Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Supabase Auth with React setup step by step clearly. Begin by creating a new React application using the command line. Use the command npx create react app myapp to set up your project. Navigate into your project directory with cd myapp. Next, install the Supabase client library by running npm install at supabase/supabase.js. After the installation, go to the Supabase website and create a new project. Once your project is created, head to the project settings to retrieve your API keys. Copy the project URL and anon public API key for later use. In your React project, create a new file named supabaseclient.js. In supabaseclient.js, import the Supabase library with import create client from @supabase/supabase.js. Then, initialize your Supabase client using the project URL and API key. JavaScript const Supabase URL equals your_Supabase_URL, const Supabase anon key equals your_Supabase_. Next, go to your app.js file to set up the authentication flow. Import the Supabase client at the top of the file with import Supabase from /Supabase client. Create a state variable for user and a state variable for email. Use useState hooks to initialize these state variables. Inside your component, create a function for handling the signup process. The function should call supabase.auth.signup with the email and password. Also, create another function for handling the sign-in process using supabase.auth.signin. Add input fields in your JSX code for email and password. Bind these input fields to the corresponding state variables using the onChange event. Include buttons for users to trigger the sign-up and sign-in functions. After the user signs in, check if the user object is not null. If the user is authenticated, you can display a success message or redirect them as needed. Make sure to include error handling to catch any issues during the authentication process. Finally, run your React application using npm start. Visit http://localhost 3000 in your browser to test the authentication flow. You have now successfully activated Supabase Auth with your React setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.